Hi, this is Shumana. Welcome to the Creative Miss channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to do Halasana, benefits, precautions, preparatory poses, follow-up poses, variations, etc. And Halasana is also known as plow pose and is an inverted asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. Let's see how to do Halasana. At first, lie down on the back. Take a deep inhalation and raise the legs up to 90 degrees. Support your body by touching your hand on your back. Now as you exhale, bend your legs from waist towards the front side of the body over your head till your toes touch the floor. Your back should be perpendicular to the floor. Now hold this pose and let your body relax more and more with each steady breath. Hold this asana as much as you can but not more than 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you gently bring your legs down on exhalation and then rest in Savasana for 2 minutes. The best timing of practice Halasana is during early morning, or you can do it in the evening also. Make sure that your bowels and stomach are empty. Maintain a gap between at least 5 to 6 hours between the meal and your yoga practice session. Benefits of Halasana. This asana removes tension and stress from the neck and throat areas. People having mucus in the sinuses or the respiratory system can benefit from Halasana since it can help in removing all of them out. Halasana can help in the relaxation and healing of the sympathetic nervous system. These asana can help in balancing secretions of glands, particularly adrenaline and thyroxine. It can also help in removing toxins from digestive and urinary tracts. This asana helps to improve the strength and tone of the spinal cord and back muscles. It helps to boost functions of thyroid, parathyroid, pituitary and adrenal glands. It also enhances the abdominal and leg muscles and also increases the blood circulation. This asana activates our chakras in our body and all over physiological system and also help in calming the brain and curing the asthma and bronchitis. By practicing this asana, it improves our digestive system and gets rid of gastric problems and constipation. Helps women during their menopause years. It stimulates reproductive organs and also reduce stress and fatigue. And most important thing, by practicing this asana, our immune system become more stronger. This asana also regulates metabolism effectively and assists in weight loss. Precautions and contraindications associated with Halasana. If you are having neck injury, diarrhea or menstruation, please avoid practice of Halasana. If you have high blood pressure and if you are pregnant, then please do not practice Halasana. The preparatory pose for Halasana is Sarvangasana and you can also do Setubandhanasana. Follow-up poses of Halasana are Adha Mukha Shavanasana and Paschimottanasana. You can also do Bhujangasana and Pavanmuktasana also. By the way, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And please share this video with your friends. And you can watch my other videos on yoga and pranayamas just by clicking on the I button. And if you want to connect with me, then go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All links are in description. Thank you so much.